Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm gonna test you by giving you a few challenges that you need to complete for the 2D shapes tab. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. As you can see over here, I'm in a new project. The first challenge that you need to do is you need to go to the 2D shapes tab, add a circle, and then after that change the radius of that from 10 to 30. After that, finally click on the magical render button. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do this. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So firstly, go to the 2D shapes tab. Click on that and select the circle. Now just drag this into this big wide code area. So click on that and drag, and then change the radius of that from 10 to 30. After you have made sure that you have changed it to 30, just click on this magical render button over here. And if you click on that, you can see there is the circle and it has the radius of 30. That is really cool, right? If you did that, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It is really good. Second challenge that you need to do is you need to first add a circle, the 2D circle, and then change the radius of it from 10 to 60. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do this. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, go to the 2D shapes, like before. Drag the circle into this big wide code area over here. There we go. Change the radius of that from 10 to 60. Now let's click on this magical render button. There you go. You can see there is the amazing circle that you have created. It's really nice, okay? If you did this, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It is really nice. Third and final challenge that you need to do is first you need to add a square from the 2D shapes tab. Change the x of it to 20 and the y of it to 40. Okay, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to do this. Okay, 10 seconds is done. Did you do it? Great job if you did. And even if you didn't, I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, go to the 2D shapes tab and then drag the square to this big wide code area over here. So click on it and drag, and then you can see these two values over here. Just change it. So the x, I think it was 20, and the y, it was 40. Now let's click on the magical render button and click. You can see there it is. That looks so nice, right? It looks like a mobile phone, right? Like the screen of a mobile phone. It looks like that. Yeah, it is really cool. If you did that, great job. Give yourself a pat on the back for that great and amazing work. It is really, really good. So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.